Yeah, coach, Everton Tomlinson, Mannings.
Everton, tough game today. What do you think about the team performance and what do you think about the overall game today?
Well, overall, I thought we should win. First off, we have total control. But first of all, I want to commend the Glenmuir family. This is the spirit of Glenmuir that I know from in the 80s, 90s. And the attitude and the general atmosphere here was conducive for football. However, I think the fans appreciate the game. But in my opinion, I thought Mannings should be leading the first half by at least 4-0. But we are satisfied with the draw, the fact we didn't lose. We just have to go home now and polish off things against Central Technical come Saturday.
Your two marquee players, Porter and Rodney, they didn't get much opportunity today. A lot of scraps were in this game. Do you think you guys could have sorted something out to make the game a little bit more cleaner?
In my opinion, I think a little bit of indiscipline creeping to the Mannings team. I think anxiety get the better of some of the players, and that spoiled our rhythm, spoiled our game. So we weren't able to put the passes together. I don't think the players' head were up enough. Their assessment was poor. Some of the decision was way off. But I must commend them for the defensive work, especially Javin Williams at the back who play well, and the goalkeeper make things look easy. So it shows that the strength of the team is not just all about attack. Today we have to play and make sure that we did not concede a goal. And I thought even to the last end we should have, squeezed the one. But it's how it is.
Coming at this game against a Glenmuir team, a very good Glenmuir team, did the performance from the Glenmuir team is something that you expected?
Well, honestly, Glenmuir is more a traditional football field. I know they have one Dakar to come with Coach Jackie Walton, and playing them at home here, we were expecting a better and a more spirited performance from them, more determined. The fact that they have won their away game and playing at home, but I didn't see the fight earlier. I think we were able to disrupt their rhythm and show their confidence off. And if we did capitalize from the first minute, it would be a different game. But we allowed them back in the game in patches. But as I said in the beginning, I must commend the players to stood to the task and ensure that we don't lose.
All right, coach, and good game again.